Hi, I'm Vilas Nayak and this is my Graphy. Speed painting is as much about speed as it is about painting. The magic lies in the performance that comes along with it. I have created this Graphy because I have never really shared my self-taught technique with anyone else before. There are so many talented artists out there who will be able to learn from my experience. In this Graphy, I will break down my technique for freehand sketching and speed painting. We will start with the basics like how to choose a brush, finding your subjects, understanding perspectives, then intermediate topics like how to create a portrait, how to perform live on stage, and how to wow your audience with a surprise. If you follow what I teach and create a painting in under 7 minutes, by the end of this Graphy, I will also share my tips on how you can turn this into a full-time career for yourself. You too can learn the art of speed painting. Catch me live on Graphy on 8th of Jan. Let's throw some paint on canvas. See you there.